another beautiful piece, page 60, lesson number 23, called Khwarazmi, from Radif by Mirza Hossein Qoli. And it is going just to be started like this: 1 and 2, mi fa. Riz, ras ras. So the ras ras supposed to have its accent. After 4 line, then you are going just to experience Radif for the first time. There is no rhythm, but still meter on it. And Radif is from Persian music system that it gathered from all over the country by Mirza Abdullah. And it is so like in mood, a beautiful feeling. Most of the suites from the Radif doesn't have any rhythm inside of it. So let's start it very slowly. 1 and 2, mi fa. Please play, ras chap, ras chap, ras chap, ras chap. Accent. Third finger on strings sol or G string. From this part, do re mi fa sol la sol fa. Paye or groove. Later you are going just to play ittisal. Ittisal is ras 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 chap, ras chap. We had it in previous lessons. Riz chap, riz chap. Lots of ittisal. So I'm going just to play it from the beginning without talking so far, like 4 lines. 1 and 2. Just listen to the melody and just repeat it after me. Mi re mi re mi re mi mi re mi fa sol fa mi sol fa mi sol fa mi sol fa mi sol fa. Apply your feeling, your sting, your specific applying stay on that note, a specific note. Chapras, 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 mi re. 3. Again, the last 4 line. Another piece called Nasir Khani. Nasir Khani is the name, like Khwarazmi. Doesn't have any meaning inside it. And it's again from Dastgah Mahur. So page 61, number 24. The rhythm is 3-4. 1 and 2 and 3 and. Ittisal. The note after ittisal supposed to be chap. Embellishment note, ras ras. Riz from chap. Fa chap again. Riz and then mi chap. chap again. Embellishment to ras, and then Ri's getting started from chap, but a little bit gap in between, like this. Gap, and then start from chap. So we call it takriz. So as you saw, there are lots of Ri's, lots of embellishment note, and lots of ittisal, lots of takriz that you're supposed to practice and getting master of it.